Hello everyone, myself Chinmay Padi and I am here to say you about organizing concept, importance and principle. So first let us know about what is organizing. Organizing means it is a process of defining and grouping activities and establishing authority relationship among them. Or we can say that it refers to the harmonious adjustment of various elements to achieve common objective. Means by grouping certain persons or certain elements, we can by focusing on a common objective, we organize it. For example, our mother, uh, our mother in house, she arranges each and everything in an organized way. How she arranges the bed. If our books are outside, she keeps it in the cupboard. So she organizes the house in a arranged manner, and that's called organizing. So there are certain concepts, importance and processes to organize. Concepts of organizing. Organizing as a process and organizing as a structure of relationship. What is organizing? Through a process. According to first concept of organizing, it has been considered as a process. In other words, organizing is not a function that can be performed at a single stroke. We cannot perform organizing in a single stroke, means directly we cannot perform it without planning. We should plan it and then only we can arrange in a proper way. That how it will look good. Then next is it includes getting information about allowing authority and responsibility. Here we divide different persons in a different group and give them some responsibility so that they can do it in a proper manner. Then next is organizing as a structure of relationship. According to relationship, we have to organize. Means there are three in a business. There are three levels: higher, middle, and lower level. So in different levels, we will give different persons different work, and their relationship among them are different. So relationship lays as to who is superior and who is the subordinate. Under this, various posts are created or established, and the mutual relationship of employees working on various posts, their authorities and responsibilities are defined. In a structure of relationship, here different posts and different relationship of the persons are defined easily. So next is organizing process. So organizing process is of 4 types. So first one is identification and division. To identify the work and divide it among all the person is the main motive of organization. If we are not, if one person is not able to work in a sales department, but we are keeping him to there, but it's not possible for his or her to perform that particular work. So we have to identify the object or a person that he is preferable for that work or not. Then only we can divide in a different groups. Then next is our departmentalization. We can divide departmentalization in two parts. The one is function and one is production. In our wish, we can divide in a production wise or function wise. Then next, in a functional department, all the functions of organization has been performed, and in a production department there is a divisional department. Means in different departments different works are going to be performed. Suppose in production department they are producing the goods. In sales department they are taking care of sales, and in purchase department they are taking care of purchase, like that. In different departments they have different types of works and we divide it into different parts. Then assignment and allotment of duties. We should assign and allot the duties to the particular person for particular work in a proper manner, that they can that their work is preferable or they are specialist in the particular work, so that it will be easy for an organization to have a proper growth in it. The next is establishing reporting relationships. Um, uh, to continue the organization in a proper way, our main motive is that our main process must be, there must be a good relationship among all the members in the organization. They are managers or employees or subordinates, anything. They should have the good relationship among them. Without establishing a good relationship, nothing is impossible. They must have coordination among them and cooperation among them. Means the employees must listen to the managers should listen to the board of directors, like this. In a process wise, they must listen to each other, so that the organization growth will be in a proper way. The next is our importance. There are many importance, means 12 to 13 importance, but I am going to discuss with you about 6 to 7 importance. So first one is increase benefit in specialization by doing the same work in a so what is specialization? For example, I am not able to teach, but I am teaching here. Okay, I am not able to teach, but I am teaching here. If a person who is not preferable for purchase department or marketing department, but they are kept there, then it will be a loss for an organization. So if a person has been chosen for a particular work, and he or she is doing that work continuously in a process, then he becomes specialist in it, and it will be helpful for an organization to get benefit of it if that person is a specialization. For example, one person is working for 4 to 5 years in a department. If one person is working on it, then he or she is able to how I will say, for example, if a person is working in a purchase department, okay, and उसे उस चीज़ की पूरा आइडिया हो चुका है, तो वो क्या करेगा, आगे जाके वो ये चेक करेगा कि पहले मैं जो कर रहा था या कर रही थी वो सही जा रहा था या नहीं, मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर का चेक करेगा वो डाटा, वो ठीक था या नहीं. अगर ज़्यादा हुआ तो इस बार वो कम कर सकता है अपना आइडिया लगा के, बिकॉज वो उस चीज़ में स्पेशलाइज हो चुका है. देन नेक्स्ट इज़ आर क्लैरिटी इन वर्किंग रिलेशनशिप. The person who are working with each other in an organization, they must have clarification with each other. Means they must have good coordination and cooperation among each other, so that the work will go on a right process, on a right way. Then next is our main importance is proper utilization of resources. If we are working in an organization, we must think that within less amount of resources, how others or how we can give more and more output on it. Means using less resources we can give more output, so that we will get more and more profit on it. Expansion and growth. For expanding and growth of our business, profit is must, and for making profit we must plan in a proper way and organize the thing in a proper way, so that we can achieve our goal, and our business will expand and will take more and more growth. Then next is our facilitate coordination. If among all the members we have good coordination, good understanding, so that then our business will growth more and more in a proper way. So thank you, and I hope so you understood it. Thank you.